Understanding cheer up, a guide to English expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very special topic in store for you. The phrase, cheer up. This is a common expression used in English, and it can be a powerful way to connect with and support others. So, if you're ready to dive in and learn all about it, keep watching. Cheer up is an imperative sentence, and it is used to encourage someone to become happier or to look at the positive side of a situation. When someone is feeling down, sad, or disappointed, a friend or family member might say, cheer up, to help lift their spirits. It's a way of showing empathy and offering support. There are many situations where cheer up might be appropriate to use. For example, when a friend has had a bad day at work. If a family member is feeling sad about a particular event. When someone is disappointed about an outcome, like a game or competition. It's important to use cheer up in a sensitive and genuine manner, as the person you're speaking to is likely going through a tough time. If someone tells you to cheer up, they are showing that they care about your well-being. A good response might be to thank them for their kind words and try to share what's on your mind. You could say something like, "Thanks, I really appreciate your support. I'm just having a tough time right now, but talking to you helps." There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning to cheer up. Some of these include, don't worry, things will get better, hang in there, stay positive. Using a variety of expressions can help you to communicate more effectively and show your support in different ways. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, cheer up. We hope this video has helped to clear up any confusion and that you now feel more confident using this expression in your everyday conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool for connecting with others and offering support. Keep practicing, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.